Got a hole in your door and don't want to replace it? This happens more often than you think. The good news is this is fixable. This method works best on hollow core doors. Solid wood doors need different repairs. Always wear basic safety gear. You only need simple tools. Use low expansion spray foam. High expansion foam can warp the door. Protect the floor from drips. Look closely at the damage. Remove loose or broken pieces. Clean edges help the repair last. Clean inside the hole. Shake the foam well before use. Always test before applying. Insert the nozzle into the cavity. Apply foam slowly and carefully. Only fill about halfway. The foam expands as it cures. Let the foam do its job. Do not touch while curing. Allow the foam to fully cure. Once hardened, it becomes solid support. Trim the foam flat with the door. Ensure the surface is level. Lightly sandy area. Remove sanding dust completely. Cover with spackle or joint compound. Feather the edges for blending. Let the spackle dry fully. Apply a second coat if needed. Sand until smooth. The surface should feel seamless. Clean before painting. Primer seals the repair. Primer prevents flashing. Let primer dry fully. Use matching paint color. Apply the first coat evenly. Allow proper drying time. A second coat improves blending. The repair should be invisible. The difference is dramatic. The door is solid again. Overfilling causes problems. Skipping sanding shows through paint. Never skip primer. This saves money. It's a simple weekend fix. Perfect for renters. No advanced skills required. The repair lasts years. Treat doors gently. There are other methods too. Foam rebuild structure. You can do this yourself. Prep the hole. Fill with foam carefully. Smooth the surface. Finish with paint. It looks professionally repaired. Problem solved. Ventilate when using foam. Clean up properly. Store supplies safely. The repair holds up. Take your time for best results. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.